If you tuned into this video hoping to see me smash the crap out of my finger, sorry. This happened a couple days, well, it happened yesterday. For you guys, it happened a couple days ago, so sorry guys. And even if I did do that, I probably wouldn't, I know I wouldn't put that on YouTube. Let's get started on what this video is about. Have you ever smashed your finger, then realize how much you use that finger? Alright, let me paint the picture for you, okay? And by the way, the thumbnail, I'm not showing the hurt finger. I'm not going to show you my hurt finger at all because I don't like to put that junk on YouTube. I have showed things in the past where I've been hurt, only to get angry with myself. Sorry, guys. You're just going to have to use your imagination. Okay, let's stop for a second. I'm almost done with my walk, by the way. Okay, yesterday I had a lot of stuff to do. Oh my God, did I ever. So one of the things I had to do was mow the backyard. So I got started, I was trying to start the lawnmower, and I don't know what the hell I did, but I do remember hurting my finger, okay? I shrugged it off like I do all the time. I'm accident prone in case you ain't figured that out yet. I mean, ain't it obvious I'm accident prone? How does one hurt his fingers? By pulling the strap to start his lawnmower. Well, the thing slipped out of my hand, and yeah, I don't exactly know how it happened. Well, I went into my work, mowed my backyard. Usually takes about 2 hours, 2 hours, 15 minutes. This time it was going to take 3 hours because I had a lot more to do back there. So I'm in doing my job. About an hour and a half later, I'm going to take a water break. I pull off my glove. I notice there's blood everywhere on my hand. I was like, what the hell? So I took my water bottle, cleaned off the blood. I said, there it is. Guys, let me tell you what I did. I basically somehow ripped off half my fingernail and smashed it. And smashed it so hard it cut underneath the fingernail where the part I ripped off. It is, yeah, I did a doozy. I did. And let me tell you something funny about that. I rubbed it off. I was like, okay. I tended this later, put the glove back on, went back to work. Now you gotta remember, for that hour and a half or maybe hour and 15 minutes before I took my break, I wasn't feeling no pain out of that finger. None. I think I was just too damn busy to realize. But the moment I noticed I cut my finger, or I busted up my finger, oh my God, now it's hurting. What the hell, Gibbs? So, this all happened yesterday. I had a lot more stuff to do. Oh my God, did I ever. I needed to string 3 fishing poles. I needed to be somewhere at a certain time. And in other words, I had an appointment. And oh my God. But guys, do you realize how much your fingers, it's my middle finger by the way, that got busted up. Do you realize how much you use your fingers in an everyday, everyday chores you do? Let me tell you some of them. Well, right off the bat, the hardest one for me is doing dishes. I do dishes by hand, by the way. I don't have a dishwasher. Oh my God, that hurts like hell. Cleaning out the microwave, it hurts like hell. Wiping down the counters, it hurts like hell. Of course, I can use the left hand for some of that. But me, when I do dishes, my right hand does all this cleaning, all the scrubbing. That hurt like hell. Stringing up my fishing poles. Never realized how much I need that middle finger for that, but I did. It hurt like hell. Guys, I could be here all day telling you how much that finger of mine kept hurting repeatedly throughout the day, and even so far today. How much you actually use one of your fingers. When I noticed I injured my finger, I was like, oh, thank God it's not my index finger. I don't really use the middle finger for a lot of things. My other finger's a pick up. My index finger pick up what the middle finger might do. No. I don't know how hard it's going to be to edit yet, as I still have the last video to edit up yet. So my hand, and I am right-handed, my hand on the mouse, I do know for a fact I use my middle finger for that. So I have no idea how hard it is. Well, I could type with one hand. Tying your shoes, that's not easy. As a matter of fact, to be honest with you, I ain't gonna show you my shoes, but if you see the way my shoes are tied this morning, my walking shoes, you might laugh. Anything I lift up, and especially if it's got any weight, it's gonna hurt like hell. I did a doozy on my finger. You never realize how much you use that finger, or how much you need any of your fingers until you hurt one. All right, got a walker down here. That's okay though. They're allowed. Just don't want to do no video close by. So I don't want to take a chance getting them on my videos. That's kind of rude. I will heal up from this. All the other multiple times I hurt myself, I heal up from. But it just cracks me up how much a finger is used now. What was it, a little bit more than a year ago? I hurt another finger moving a couch. Yeah, that one's all busted up too. It didn't seem to hurt as much as this one. I did a doozy on it. Sorry I'm not showing you guys what I did, but trust me, if you got a weak stomach you don't want to see. It don't need medical attention, no, but it pretty much got banged up good. And the funny thing is, I don't know exactly how I done it. Now holding on to the selfie stick ain't that difficult. All I gotta do is just hold the one finger out. A lot of things I do, if I could get away with my other fingers, I do. But sometimes I forget, and I used to hurt one. But guys, that's pretty much it. You don't realize how much you need something, in this case fingers, until you bust one up. Or you don't realize how much you use it. And then when you're using that busted up finger, oh, the pain's intense. I give it a couple more days and then let the healing process begin, and it'll start feeling better. Until the next time I hurt myself. Okay, I'm gonna do my slow down about 50 feet sooner. That lady's over there walking her doggy. So guys, leave me down in the comments. You ever hurt one of your fingers, or it could be a toe, it could be anything. You don't realize how much you use a finger, toe, or whatever the case is until after you hurt it, and then you use it and it hurts like hell. Leave me comments. Thanks for watching, y'all. By the way, I won't have another chance going fishing for 11 more days. We got storms coming on this weekend. I know you're probably seeing this video on Monday. Sorry about that, y'all. But instead of doing any fishing this weekend, we're just gonna do spring cleaning. We got garbage, our citywide pickup for garbage. That means we can send anything we want out to the curb, and we're gonna take advantage of that this weekend and get it all ready for that day to come. All right, guys, going back to the vehicle. By the way, real quick on my car. You guys know I bought a new car recently, right? An Equinox, 2023 Equinox. I have not been able to wash it. And the reason I have not been able to wash it because they're doing road work real close to my house, and you got dump trucks loaded with dirt going back and forth all day long. And that dirt and dust is just getting all over the vehicles. If I wash it, it'd be dirty the moment I take it back home. So once they're done with that, then I'm gonna have to wash this thing. And I will do a video the first time I detail my vehicle, because I got a feeling it's gonna be a lot easier than my other one. We'll get into that then. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.